This video will show you how to replace the trunk lid lift support on a Cadillac CTS. You'll have one of these located on each side of the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now you're going to find that you have one of these trunk lid lift supports on either side of your trunk. The process will be the same. We're going to start up along the top. In this area, you're going to find that you have a small metal clip that needs to be dislodged so we can pull this off of the trunk mount. To do this, you can use a small pick or a small pocket screwdriver. Whatever makes its way underneath this so we can pry it out and away. Coming down in this area, pry that out. Wiggle the trunk as necessary and you should be able to slide this out of place. Sometimes you have to fully remove the clip, other times you can pull it out just far enough that it'll slide out. There's that small clip. There's that. Now obviously you do want to be careful not to let the trunk fall down and hurt you. Let's continue on down to the next mounting point. Down at the bottom, same process here. I'm just using the same tool. We'll pry this out and away. And there it is, friend. Prior to installing any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect the mounting areas. We'll start up along the top with a clean rag. Just a quick wipe there, make sure nothing's rotted or damaged. Down at the bottom area here, quick wipe. That looks good as well. Okay, let's get ready to install the brand new trunk lid lift support. You can start from the top or the bottom. Either way, we'll make sure we have it in the proper orientation. We're lining it up, we're pressing it in. An audible click from that, make our way up to the top. Here we are. Now we'll just double check to make sure both ends are properly secured. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the process for one is the exact same thing as the other. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.